Trading is a difficult game. 99% of traders lose money in the market. Now, for myself, I've also lost a lot of money in the market, but having found this new indicator for TradingView, my whole trading world has been turned upside down and I'm now making profits day in, day out. I want to share this indicator with you guys so that you can follow my path in being a successful trader. What's great is that they have a 1-day free trial, so you can backtest everything that I show you today. As a disclaimer, this is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Let's get into the video. Now, before we start, we like to use the high konashi candles with this particular indicator. So to find that, we use this right here. And if you can't see it in the top here, it will be in the selection here. Once you've got the candles on, head to indicators, head to your invite only and click the signaler. You'll see now that the indicator is fully on your charts. Now that the indicator is on the charts, you can see that we have a couple of key things. We have a short signal and we have a long signal. We have a green background showing the bullish trend and we have the red background showing the bearish trend. Now I like to trade this particular indicator with cryptocurrency. So here you can see that we're on the Bitcoin chart and I'm going to show you where I took a trade last year that ran for a hefty profit. So to enter this trade, you want to enter as soon as the signal is alerted to you and you want to place your entry on the candle that gives it. And you're going to place your stop loss behind the trend line here. Now, normally with other strategies, I like to aim for a 1-to-1, possibly up to a 2-to-1. But with cryptocurrency, I like to let it run a lot further. And you can see in this particular instance, we headed up to a 4.5-to-1. Now, to give a bit of context, if you're risking 1% on your account, you would have gained 4.5% profit. If you want to talk money terms, if you are risking £1,000, you're gaining £4,500 with this particular trade. Now, as always, risk management is key. For me, I like to get my stop loss to break even as soon as possible. So something I like to do is keep an eye on the market structure. And you can see here, you had a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and a higher low. Now, as soon as the first higher high is created and it gets broken right there, I like to get my stop loss and I like to put it at break even so that my risk is off the table and we can carry the runners even further. Now, this does work on other cryptocurrencies as well, and in future videos I will show you how I caught a mammoth XRP move. Now, to get involved, you'll see a link in the description that'll take you to our Telegram page. So we're going to head over now and I'm going to show you the process to get involved. Now, as I said earlier, there is a 1-day free trial. So once you go ahead and click on this, you'll be required to put your TradingView username in so that you can get access to the indicator on your account. Now, to find this, we're going to head back to TradingView so I can show you where to click. Now, if you head up here to the top left corner and you click this little icon here, you'll see that you can head to your profile right here. Now, once you click that, it'll take you to this page and you can see that your username will be sat here. You can see mine there. Yours will be there on your account. If, however, you are like me and you love this indicator so much, you're going to want to go ahead and pay for the lifetime subscription. Now, to do that, you just click on the link here and it will take you to ClickBay by Crypto and it'll head over to this bot here where you click start and you have your choice to pay in cryptocurrency. For me, I use USDT, so I paid by clicking this link here. Now, we do have a separate Telegram channel that actually shows some profits made by the community, so you can check it out yourself and just see the results that have been gained. Now, once you have access to the indicator, if you want to set up alert just like myself, you can obviously make your life a whole lot easier. So what you want to do is you'll want to head over to indicator icon over here. You'll want to click on the 3 dots and you'll click add alert on TradingView. Now, you don't need to change any of the settings here. The only one that you might want to change is the time frame. Now, I like to use it on the daily, so I'll keep it on the daily. And all you'll need to do is hit create. Now, when a signal gets given, you'll get an alert either on your phone or on your laptop, and you can just jump on and you can take the trade as shown. Guys, if you want to get involved in this, the links are in the description. So hit the like, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified when my next video is up.